Welcome to AlphaFin Academy, your trusted partner in mastering the stock market. Here, you'll learn to trade effectively and grow your financial acumen. Our focus is on providing practical trading education, emphasizing market psychology, price action, and smart money concepts for both beginners and intermediate traders. AlphaFin Academy offers practical trading education emphasizing market psychology, price action, and smart money concepts. Our curriculum is tailored for beginners and intermediate traders, ensuring a comprehensive understanding of market dynamics. By focusing on these core areas, we equip traders with the skills needed to navigate the complexities of the stock market effectively. AlphaFin offers step-by-step guidance with real-time market examples, ensuring you learn effectively. Our proven trading frameworks help build confidence and avoid common mistakes, making your trading journey smoother and more successful. Take advantage of our limited time offer, a free course valued at 2,999 rupees, plus a 3-day live workshop with industry experts. This opportunity is 100% free for early registrants. Enhance your trading skills with expert guidance and practical insights. Stock market investments carry inherent risks. Our content is purely educational, not offering stock tips or guaranteed returns. We are not Securities and Exchange Board of India registered advisors, emphasizing informed decision-making over speculation. Embark on a structured learning path to master trading, develop lifelong skills, and gain confidence through comprehensive education. Secure your spot now, as seats are limited.